Where'd they go?
Huh?
Who's that?
Titus.
Titus?
Hold it.
No, Mommy's gonna hold it. What are they doing?
Put that.
What? No.
Football.
Football. Okay, you can look, but don't touch.
Mommy, I said, ma'am.
Okay, you gonna go outside?
Me, ma'am.
Come here.
Yeah.
You go outside and I'll see you through the window. Go outside. Go say hi. Wait, where are your shoes?
Okay. Mommy,
Okay.
bye, ma'am.
Bye. Whoa. Hi, Naomi. Hi. You too?
Yeah.
You too?
Mommy. I want the Kit Kats.
All right, we ready for this?
Can I eat one?
Time to decorate gingerbread
I don't
house.
have one.
Yeah.
I don't want to put mine together.
Okay, I have to put your icing on it first.
No, guys, please. What's
Here's
the
Kit Kats that you can use too.
No!
Mom, can I
No,
have
you can't eat. That's too big.
Oh, goodness. Josiah, don't eat anything else. Don't eat it. Just put it on your plate. Sit down on your bottom. All right, here we go. These are the gingerbread houses
This one is
before they fall, and they're starting to fall.
There you go.
Mine is
Eli's.
No, I want to put the icing.
No, Titus.
They do not look like the box. All right, let's put icing on them and candy. She's not even watching the ball. Oh. Oh, Josiah had to distract her with flowers.
Josiah.
Here, let me hold your flowers so you can catch.
I wanted to get this for you.
Well, that was sweet. Can I hold them so you can catch?
Let Mommy hold them.
Mommy,
Here.
there's a flower for you.
Oh, thank you. Do you want to catch the ball with Justice? Buddy,
Wait,
it's
I
okay.
think there's
She can have it.
different.
Ready? Down. Set.
Wait. Inside. Oh. The way to a little girl's heart.
I say.
Alright, I didn't get a full before video, but we'll do before and after. We've already done a lot. Look at all these hard workers. Feel
Good.
tired?
Yeah. My foot's a little itchy.
Here's the finished product. They had the whole place to themselves. And Naomi has the whole toddler area to herself. Okay, just a minute. Sometimes you just have to get the boys out of the house. And here's Naomi. I'm taking your video. You want me to take a picture of you?
Yeah.
Ready? It's a monkey. It looks like a monkey out there. Whoa!
I feel like I could just swim with my floaties. That's what I have to do. That's all.
I don't think he would need floaties.
What?
But I don't think he would need floaties.
No, I don't.
Justice and Titus are at art class, so we came to the park
I don't
to play.
even have to use my floaties in this.
Hey, don't step on the flowers.
What?
Don't step on the flowers. Let's go for a walk. This way. Get down. Let's go see.
Okay, let's go for a walk.
I think Naomi wants to leave. Naomi loves the water. How many points did you score today? 21. He's ready to eat. Look, Naomi.
He knows. He's getting all excited. Yeah.
I know, he kicked the door. He's like, give me my food. Where's the lady? I think she went up high and she's going to throw it down there.
We should have went over there. Because we can see the lady.
Look.
We can go over there.
Up on top of the roof.
Yeah, I'm going to go over there.
She went on top of the roof, Mom.
Okay, let's go over there so we can see better.
Let's take a picture of me up there.
Well, I'm taking a video of that baby. There's Mommy's back.
One guy just threw it.
Oh.
She threw one orange.
Yeah?
She threw bananas and orange. She said they like.
Those are oranges, it looks like.
She said they like fruit
I'm going to hold you so you can see better. You did it! Naomi's on the little one.
Mom, take a picture. Wait. Let us get in it. No, don't touch it by me.
No, they can get on there with you.
I'll be a driver.
You're gonna have to let them all on first.
Mommy.
Take a picture of you, please.
Take a picture. Let me get down. Maybe if you like a video of me show you how to get up there.
I think I can do it though. I think I found the way. Ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah! Oh, look, I got up there! It's not even Dennis's house! Get a picture!
I'm taking a video. I saw you do it.
I have done it! Not first! Because I tried. Sometimes.
You need help?
But we're just trying to build Mario Luigi.
Are you playing Legos?
This is hard. Yeah. Like, I don't even know what these people are. I'm just going to build a blue and orange tower. I need a couple of these stacked onto each other.
We're in the Lego house.
I can build it.
What'd you make? Did you make that?
Are they having fun? Are you having fun?
Yes, I am. That's what I'm doing.
You're gonna make Justice
Mario.
Mario?
No, it's not yours actually.
Let me see. Mario? What are you making, Josiah?
A plane. Oh, these are the
Uh-oh.
Rip it.
You try to make this spider?
What? No, you can make whatever you want. You don't have to. An orange plane.
Whoa. Wow.
63
Let me see. Where does it say?
Lego books. 515 hours.
All right. Dragonfly. Here, can you push that, Titus?
Lego class.
A Lego class?
Yeah. Lessons. Lego
I
lessons.
don't know if there is such a thing.
So we could just like not even look at. We could just look at a picture and build something like this.
Naomi,
They actually have one of those.
where?
Yeah, they have classes like that. But they do.
Naomi.
142 hours.
Yep.
I can't believe this took less time than that dragonfly, and the dragonfly was less people. I know,
Naomi. That is incredible.
There's an anteater, but they're giant ones. I'll get out.
Okay, don't let it roll away.
It's a giant anteater, Mom.
do you see, Naomi?
Oh, look at that bird.
What do you see?
A baby key. Look at that
You see
weird
what?
bird up there with a yellow
You see
beak.
birdies?
Look at that. Ugh. It's the weirdest beak I've ever seen. Hey, there's one.
Naomi, you want to go see what's down here? Oh, he's back there. He's little.